All right, let's dive into something revolutionary, using AI to pick stocks. Imagine this. Instead of manually tracking the market, you have an assistant running 24/7, analyzing every trend, every data point, and offering you tips on where to invest. AI is making that possible, and in a big way. This video will break down what AI-powered stock picking really is, how it works, the tools you can actually use, and, most importantly, how it can help you make smarter investment choices without becoming a financial expert. So, first things first. What is AI stock picking? Essentially, it's using artificial intelligence, or AI, to analyze massive amounts of data in seconds. Think about it. There are millions of data points out there every day. Stock prices, trading volumes, economic reports, news headlines, even tweets. Analyzing all that on your own would be impossible. AI tools use algorithms to sift through that information and identify patterns. For instance, if there's a pattern where certain stocks go up after specific news events, the AI will recognize it and can suggest those stocks to you as potential buys. But AI doesn't stop there. It learns over time, becoming more accurate by analyzing past predictions against actual outcomes. In the investment world, we call this machine learning. The AI learns from its mistakes and improves. All right, let's go a bit deeper. So how does AI do all this? Well, there are a few main techniques it uses. 1. Data mining. This is when the AI searches through massive amounts of historical data to spot recurring patterns. For instance, it might analyze how stocks react to interest rate changes. By spotting these patterns, it can make educated guesses about how certain stocks will behave. 2. Natural language processing. Here's where things get interesting. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows AI to scan news articles, financial reports, and even social media. Let's say a major CEO announces a shift in company strategy on Twitter. NLP can read that tweet, gauge whether it's positive or negative, and make predictions based on the sentiment. 3. Neural networks. Finally, neural networks allow AI to mimic human decision-making. These are advanced algorithms that make predictions by thinking like a human would, except faster and often more accurately. Now let's talk about real-world examples, because AI isn't just a theory. Major investment firms are already using it to make big decisions. Take a company like BlackRock, one of the largest investment firms in the world. They use AI-driven tools to analyze everything from economic shifts to consumer sentiment. Their AI systems are constantly analyzing and predicting, making sure they're one step ahead. And it's not just the big players. Companies like Wealthfront and Betterment offer AI tools for regular investors, helping people like you and me by creating portfolios that match personal risk preferences. So, why should you care? Well, if you're like most investors, you want to maximize returns while managing risk. And AI can help you do that. Imagine if you had to check stock prices every hour. Impossible, right? But an AI can do that continuously, spotting patterns and notifying you about potential buys or sells. It's like having a full-time analyst that never sleeps. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Like any tool, AI has its pros and cons. First, let's talk about the positives. AI is objective. It doesn't get emotional about stocks. It can crunch numbers all day long, and it's constantly learning. Plus, it works with data 24/7, allowing it to make fast, data-driven decisions. Now, the downsides. AI isn't foolproof. It's only as good as the data it's trained on. If there's sudden, unpredictable market news, AI can't always adjust instantly. Plus, there's a cost for advanced AI tools, and they can require a learning curve to use effectively. All right, so you're probably wondering, how do I actually use AI to pick stocks? Here's how you can get started with AI stock picking tools. First, check out platforms like Zacks or Trade Ideas, which offer AI-driven recommendations. They have easy-to-read visual tools and even alerts when stocks hit certain criteria. Most AI tools let you set your own risk level and investment goals. By customizing these, the AI can filter stock options that fit your specific needs, making the process even more personalized. And here's a pro tip. Don't just blindly follow the AI's recommendations. Use it as one input among others in your strategy. A balanced approach works best. AI is changing the game in stock picking. It doesn't guarantee success, but it can help you make smarter, faster, and more data-driven choices. Whether you're new to investing or looking for that next edge, AI might just be what you need. If this sounds like something you'd want to try, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be covering more tools and strategies to help you get the most out of your investments. Thanks for watching, and let's see what I can do for you.